Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. So, I was browsing for a nail polish remover sa Shopee last week, and super nagulat ako nung nakita ko to. At first, hindi talaga ako makapaniwala. Then, I checked. It's officially from TGP, like the generics pharmacy talaga. So, I placed an order. I bought 2 bottles to try. So, for today's video, I'll be trying out the Generics Pharmacy's nail polish remover and it's acetone-free. Matagal-tagal na rin talaga ako naghahanap ng acetone-free nail polish remover kasi halos lahat ng nagamit ko ay may acetone. By the way, 1 bottle costs 26 pesos and 60 ml siya. An acetone-free and non-drying formula that quickly removes nail polish and promotes strong, healthy-looking nails and cuticle. Also recommended for artificial and sensitive nails. No smearing, no drying, increases nail polish adherence, and does not leave white marks on nails. It also has a blue appearance. And now, let's try it! So, buksan muna natin siya. Then, let's poke a hole muna. Naubusan ako ng cotton pads, so for now, I'm using cotton balls. Let's try removing my red manicure. And it's a complete mani with base coat, nail polish, and top coat, ha? As you can see, madali naman niyang natanggal yung color ng nail polish. And also, hindi rin nangahawa yung blue appearance ng nail polish remover sa nails, sa cuticles, and sa skin ko, which is also a plus point. By the way, I used a red nail polish which is known na mahirap talagang tanggalin sa nails, pero nagawa naman tanggalin at nang mabilis at hindi pa masyadong makalat with this nail polish remover. I'm loving it so far and hindi nga rin pala sobrang strong nung amoy niya. Now, let's try it naman sa stamping plate. Mabilis din naman niyang na-remove yung nail polish sa surface ng stamping plate. I'm super loving it na it's acetone-free. Sobrang tagal ko nang naghahanap ng acetone-free na nail polish remover and finally, available siya locally and it's super affordable. Finally, may mabibilhan na tayo! And I'm hoping na sana magkaroon sila ng 1-liter bottle. Oh, and nung nag-arrive nga pala yung parcel, this one is super well packaged. Like, the cap is well taped and naka-bubble wrap siya ng husto. It arrived na walang leak or dents or anything. It arrived perfectly as this. Nakalimutan ko kasi mag-take ng pictures, so yeah, sorry guys. After so many years, I finally found an acetone-free nail polish remover. And available siya sa the Generics Pharmacy. Let me know kung itatry nyo rin tong nail polish remover na to. By the way, this video is not sponsored by the Generics Pharmacy. And that's it for today. I hope nagustuhan nyo yung video ko for today and don't forget to follow me on my social media pages. Don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. And that's it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!